Can't you hear me? My thoughts of you piercing facades of stone. My walls will fall when my tears crawl down the skin that traps me within.
Subway so I wouldn't fall, still down I'd go, and you'd pick me up, whether on those trains or when I felt low, running through streets like taxi cabs. I didn't know how good we had everything with us. Just know I miss it bad. I hope you think of me when you walk down Broadway, hear me singing when you hear street bands play. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Hope you see me at the Soho Diner, can't sleep and you pull no nighter. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Do you remember Brooklyn? We were so good back then, what a mess we made. From kisses on the river, gold to silver, now we're just in gray. From sneaking away onto rooftop skies, drunken songs of you and I, to nothing at all. It breaks my heart asking why, when we put city lights to shame, lit up streets with both our names. The love stood so tall, and there'll never be one the same. I hope you think of me when you walk down Broadway, hear me singing when you hear street bands play. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Hope you see me at the Soho Diner, can't sleep and you pull no nighter. Hope you think of me